You're watching KSG State Series. In this video, we're going to talk about the North Indian state of Punjab. Facts collected are based on the questions asked in competitive examinations. We start with a brief introduction to the state. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory and serves as the capital of the states of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh was planned by the famous French artist Le Corbusier. In 1950, two separate states were created. Punjab included the former Raj province of Punjab, while the princely states of Patiala, Nabha, Jind, Kapurthala, Malarkotla, Faridkot, and Kalsia were combined into a new state, the Patiala and East Punjab States Union or PEPSU. In 1956, PEPSU was merged into Punjab state and several northern districts of Punjab in the Himalayas were added to Himachal Pradesh. The name Punjab is made of two words, Panj that is five plus Ab that is water. That means land of five rivers. These five rivers of Punjab are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Only Satluj, Ravi and Beas rivers flow in today's Punjab. The other two rivers are now in the state of Punjab that is situated in Pakistan. Punjab has made considerable economic progress after independence despite the setback it suffered in 1947. It contributes nearly two-thirds to the total production of food grains and a third of milk production in the country. It is the leading producer of wheat, thereby contributing to the national food security. The initiative of Green Revolution has been keenly taken forward by the people of Punjab. Even though Punjabis account for less than 2.5% of the Indian population, they are one of the most prosperous races in India. Their per capita income is twice the national average. Punjab is considered to have the best infrastructure in India. This includes road, rail, air, and river transport links that are extensive throughout the region. Punjab also has the lowest poverty rate in India. Boundary of Punjab touches with Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan. International boundary is shared with Pakistan. We begin with the climate. Punjab experiences both summer and winter to its extreme. It receives abundant rainfall, which makes the state a very fertile land. The region lying near the foothills of Himalayas receive heavy rainfall, whereas the region lying at a distance from the hills, the rainfall is scanty and the temperature is high. Talking about the divisions of Punjab, Punjab state is divided into three regions, the Majha, Doaba, and the Malwa. There are many canal systems in Punjab. Sirhind Canal System is about 150 years old. Bhakra Main Line System is an extension of Nangal Hydel Channel. It is an interstate channel which supplies water for irrigation and drinking purposes to Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Shah Nahar Canal System. Shah Nahar headwork was constructed downstream of Pong Dam in the year 1983 on River Beas. Talking about the crops grown in this state, wheat, maize, rice is grown in Punjab. Groundnut, sugarcane, potatoes are among the other important crops. Cotton is an important cash crop produced in the state. Important cities in Punjab are Ludhiana. It is known for the woolen hosiery industry and also the manufacturing of cycles. Jalandhar is sports goods industry. Mukerian is known for its paper mill. Kapurthala has a rail coach factory. Sahibzada Ajit Singh Nagar is the former name of Mohali. Amritsar is known for artificial silk fabric. Talking about the Ramsar wetlands in Punjab. Ramsar wetlands in Punjab are Kanjli, Harike, and the Ropar wetland. There are four Doab regions in Punjab. The Jej Doab lies between the Jhelum and the Chenab rivers. The Rechna Doab lies between the Chenab and the Ravi rivers. The Bari Doab lies between the Ravi and the Bias rivers, and the Bist Doab lies between the Bias and the Satluj rivers. The Bhakra Dam is a concrete gravity dam across the Satluj River and is near the border between Punjab and Himachal Pradesh in northern India. Ranjit Sagar Dam is also located in Punjab. Talking about the lakes, the Mator Lake is located in Mohali. Wildlife sanctuaries in Punjab: Bir Moti Bagh Wildlife Sanctuary, Bir Gurdialpura Wildlife Sanctuary, Bir Bunerheri Wildlife Sanctuary, Bir Mehas Wildlife Sanctuary, Bir Dosanjh Wildlife Sanctuary, Bir Bhatso Wildlife Sanctuary, Bir Ashwan Wildlife Sanctuary, Abohar Wildlife Sanctuary, Harike Wildlife Sanctuary, Takhni Rehmapur Wildlife Sanctuary, Jhajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary, and the Kathlor Kushlian Wildlife Sanctuary. And now let us tell you about the rich culture of Punjab. There are many pilgrimage centers in the state. Devi Talab Mandir is located in Jalandhar. Anandpur Sahib is also an important pilgrimage center. The Golden Temple, Amritsar, India, or the Sri Harimandir Sahib, Amritsar, is not only a central religious place of the Sikhs but also a symbol of human brotherhood and equality. Everybody, irrespective of caste, creed, or race, can seek spiritual solace and religious fulfillment without any hindrance. It also represents the distinct identity, glory, and heritage of the Sikhs. To pen down the philosophy, ideology, the inner and outer beauty, as well as the historical legacy of Sri Harmandir Sahib, is a momentous task. It is a matter of experience rather than of description. The famous dance forms in Punjab are Bhangra, Gidda, Luddi, and Kikli. The Gatka martial art and dance is a traditional martial art with a prominent place in Sikh history. It is played with wooden sticks, also called the kutka. Gatka is a unique and inexpensive fighting art developed to defend and display fighting skills and to better exercise self-control. Gatka is historically associated with the Sikh gurus and is popular among the masses and is now being recognized as a sport nationwide. The form, which was earlier confined to gurudwaras, nagar kirtans, and akhadas, finds presence in the sports category after the formation of Gatka Federation of India in 2008 and is now played by trained Gatka players at the national level. The important fairs and festivals of Punjab are Lohri, Muktsar Fair, Hola Mohalla, Roza Sharif Urs, Chhappar Fair, Gurupurb. Punjab is known for Phulkari. Phulkari is an embroidery technique from the Punjab region divided between India and Pakistan. Phulkari literally means flower work used to make sari and suit. Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering and Technology is an important institution that is located in Punjab's Ludhiana. And now let us tell you about some important facts about Punjab. The most unique feature about Punjab is that it has neither any national park nor any recognized tribal population. Fatehgarh Sahib is known as the Steel Town of India. In 1966, Haryana was carved out of Punjab. Punjabi is the official language of the state. Punjabi is written in the Gurmukhi script. Cropping intensity is 190%, that is the highest in India. Punjab has 98% irrigated area, which is again the highest in the country. Surface water is 27% and the groundwater is 73%. Punjab has the highest fertilizer consumption in India. Punjab has the highest pesticide consumption. Farm power availability is also the highest in Punjab. Punjab produces roughly 12% of the total cereals produced in India. Fulkari is the traditional embroidery design of Punjab. Satluj Yamuna Link Canal, or SYL as it is popularly known, is a proposed 214-kilometer long canal in India to connect the Satluj and Yamuna rivers. However, the proposal met obstacles and was referred to the Supreme Court of India. It defines river water sharing between the states of Punjab and Haryana. That's it in this edition of KSG State Series. Hope you liked this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.